If you can imagine it, generative AI can create it. Today, generative AI is capturing the imagination of creatives everywhere. But can it revolutionize the arts in a way that no one would have predicted just a few years ago? Stick around to find out how companies like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, Runway AI, and Pika Labs are using groundbreaking AI technologies to create images and video from nothing more but text. According to McKinsey, a global management consulting firm, this innovative technology is poised to transform industries. In this video, we'll break down how generative AI can create text, images, music, video, and even animation from simple user-generated text. Number 1. Generative AI and Text. Large language models like ChatGPT and Perplexity let users harness the incredible power of AI by generating new content, summarizing information, recognizing text and images, researching topics, and personalizing content. Generating text, answering questions, and summarizing information is quick and easy with generative AI tools. Although ChatGPT's models are based on datasets created before December 2022, Perplexity features real-time information and cites sources on answers provided. Businesses can utilize these generative AI tools as a store of corporate knowledge. By uploading a company's corporate files into platforms like ChatGPT, a corporate generative AI instance can become a repository of knowledge, which can be used to answer customer and employee questions about corporate policies in standard, understandable language. It is like interacting with another human being. Generative text AI can help marketers create personalized emails for their customers. HR departments can use it to draft job descriptions and interview questions for potential hires. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can help automate customer service and boost conversion rates. In search, generative AI can provide more natural web searching for browsers. It can also customize web pages according to a customer's personality profile. When a loyalty member logs onto a company's website, generative AI can quickly fill the web page with customer-specific content, as well as provide images that are similar in tone or style to ones that have proven effective for sales in the past. For example, a customer logging onto a travel website could see images like places he visited on past trips. Generative AI also has powerful analytics capabilities. Sales departments can analyze customer interactions to extract insights, while a company's legal department can use generative AI to summarize regulatory documents. Number 2. Generative AI and Coding. Generative AI is revolutionizing code development by generating, optimizing, and completing code. It can provide inline assistance, automate repetitive tasks, create data sets, as well as test software. It can also help coders become more productive and efficient while speeding up the prototyping and design process. Tools like IBM Watson Code Assistant, Google's Studio Bot, GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, Code Whisperer, and Tab 9 simplify the coding process by giving developers code suggestions as well as automating the process. Several tools give developers coding advice, others generate code based on natural language descriptions of the desired results, and even others suggest lines of code based on several factors, including context. All these tools simplify the coding process while making it more efficient and more productive. Generative AI is even revolutionizing no-coding software, providing low-code developers with pre-built models and code templates, making it easier for non-technical users to build and maintain applications. The combination of generative AI and no-code/low-code platforms can empower a wide range of individuals to actively participate in the coding development process, regardless of their coding proficiency. Number 3. Generative AI and Image. Innovative text-to-image tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E 4 are upending the livelihoods of many artists, graphic designers, storyboard artists, costume designers, and book cover illustrators. These systems are based on the idea that computers can learn to recognize patterns in huge amounts of textual data. They use machine learning algorithms instead of human intelligence, trying out different combinations of words until they come up with something that looks like a recognizable image. In early 2021, OpenAI revealed its picture-making neural network, DALL-E, with a string of surreal and cartoonish images, including the release of an image of an astronaut riding a horse in space. Ilya Sutskever, chief scientist of OpenAI, called DALL-E a transcendent beauty as a service. It has since inspired countless artists and laymen alike to utilize the tool in their daily work, or even just to spark their imagination. Why not? All it takes is a simple text prompt, and within 30 seconds, a vision from your mind's eye can be replicated on a computer screen or printed out and hung on the wall. The artistic world of tomorrow is here today. Generative AI reduces the need for expensive photographers, designers, and illustrators. Imagination, creativity, and Mid-Journey, or DALL-E 4, or Stable Diffusion, are all you need to set your creativity free. Many corporations are getting in on the act, adding generative AI to their personalization marketing campaigns. For example, the German carmaker Mercedes recognized that they may no longer need to shoot expensive car commercials in exotic locales because generative AI can put anyone in any car model against any background. By simply uploading an image of a customer and prompting the generative AI tool to create a picture of the customer behind the wheel of a Mercedes driving across Death Valley, the generative AI tool will create a personalized marketing campaign that will unquestionably intrigue the customer. It's marketing to the customer on steroids. Number 4, generative AI and audio. Text-to-music services use natural language processing to analyze text input, and then they generate music that flawlessly mimics the original. It's useful for creating background music for videos, podcasts, and presentations. These services can also generate unique music compositions for personal or commercial use. Examples of these music services include Flow Machines by Sony, Google AI's NSynth, Stable Audio, Jukebox by OpenAI, Audio Cypher. YouTube is aggressively expanding into the text-to-music space. According to a new report by Bloomberg, Google is developing an AI-powered tool that lets users replicate the voices of famous musicians in their own composition. It is currently negotiating with music licensing companies to obtain the music rights to train their AI models. Google hopes that anyone will soon be able to create the next hit song in the style of Drake or Katy Perry or Bruno Mars. Text-to-voice generators can also be useful for creating educational voiceovers. Someone can train the model on their own voice once, then instantly create other voiceovers as needed. These tools can also be used in sound creation to replicate customer sounds without any fear of copyright violations. Number 5, generative AI and 3D. Generative AI is transforming 3D modeling by enabling the rapid creation of high-quality 3D assets. NVIDIA's new generative AI model can take text or 2D models and create 3D shapes complete with rich geometric details and deep textures. Complex 3D shapes like animals, humans, cars, chairs, motorbikes, and buildings, which used to be extremely difficult to create in the past, are much simpler to make with this new NVIDIA model. 3dfy.ai uses generative AI to create high-quality 3D models from text, allowing for the scalable generation of 3D assets without the limitations of traditional 3D modeling methods, such as photogrammetry, 3D scanning, and manual creation. These generative AI models are equivalent to what a human modeler can build, but since they are built with automation, human labor needs are greatly reduced. Generative AI will be particularly useful in the entertainment and video game industries, helping to create 3D environments as well as build the characters who people these 3D worlds. Platforms like Meshi, which offers tools for quick text to 3D, image to 3D, and AI texturing, empower content creators to turn text and images into captivating 3D assets. Generative AI makes 3D content creation more efficient, scalable, and accessible to a wider range of users. Number 6, generative AI and video. If you can imagine it, you can generate it, claims Runway AI, a text-to-video service that lets users generate videos from text, images, and video clips. Customized text, titles, and captions can also be added to the produced videos. Pika Labs, another innovative text-to-video platform, allows users to generate videos from text prompts and uploaded images. Meta's Make a Video system builds upon Facebook's past generative technology research and lets people turn text prompts into brief, high-quality video clips. Meta is currently open sourcing its tools to try to build a supportive community around the technology. InVideo is another text-to-video service that includes hundreds of ready-made templates and other tools to create custom videos. Unlike generative AI tools that create images on demand, InVideo compiles stock footage and then creates a script for the videos which can be exported to YouTube. Not quite as impressive as Runway AI and Pika Labs, InVideo is still useful when users want to create simple videos on thousands of topics. Beyond text-to-video services, AI can enhance the video post-production process by helping with colorization, super resolution, deblurring, denoising, dehazing, turbulence removal, and in-painting, the process of reconstructing missing or damaged parts of an image to create a complete image. Synthesia, a generative AI post-production service, can automatically detect and cut long pauses from videos, as well as provide automatic subtitles and translation services for videos. Generative AI can help create short-form videos for TikTok and shorten other videos for social media. Background images and background noise can be removed from a post as well, thereby making the content more professional, which should help it increase its reach. Generative AI is useful for voice translation and video dubbing, even translating an actor's voices into other languages, or even changing it due to a film character's aging. Lip syncing or visual dubbing can be added in post-production to make it look as if an actor is really speaking in another language. Generative AI can be used to create virtual effects for rapid, high-end aging or de-aging. Face swapping is also easy to do with deepfake visual effects. Generative AI is revolutionizing creativity in a multitude of ways. It's probably safe to say eliminating humans completely from the act of creation won't be happening anytime soon. AI can augment, not replace, human creativity. Even with its ability to see, hear, speak, move, and write, generative AI still has huge limitations. So what could be the most impressive generative AI technology of all? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay connected to the world of AI.